What's going on YouTube? Laurent here, coming from Just a Tech Guy. I want to welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for when I upload new videos. You'll be notified. Hit the bell notification icon so that you do get notified when I do upload a new video. So in today's video, I just want to talk about something the Samsung Soundbar T400 that I purchased a few weeks ago. I got it on a really good deal for like 80 bucks from Best Buy. But I tried it out for like about a week or 2 weeks ago. So Best Buy had a special holiday return period. We could return it all the way up to the 16th. So here's why I decided to return it. It didn't really function as well as I wanted to with my TV. You know, we got a brand new HiSense 75-inch TV. Also during Black Friday with their Black Friday deals that was going on during Christmas time. So the soundbar it connected with Bluetooth, but my fiance now wife, we got married right a couple days after Christmas. But anyway, she kept complaining about the Bluetooth sound that she didn't really like it. It had like a high pitched sound to it. And at first, I really didn't notice it, but then I started noticing more and more and more. So when it was connected by Bluetooth, it did have a little bit of crackling, kind of like a higher pitched sound to it. Don't know why that was the case. Not sure why it did that. But another reason why I returned it when it did have it paired with Bluetooth, I could only control the volume with the TV remote control. I couldn't turn it on and off with the TV. So if I turned the soundbar off, then I had to turn it on with the remote. So yeah, I didn't really like that too much. I want to be able to control both the TV and the soundbar with the remote. So yeah, that's why I returned it. Another reason why I decided to return it was I did have it connected with the optical cable. Now it did sound a whole lot better with the optical cable, but also I have remote issues with that as well. So I really couldn't control the volume. So with Bluetooth, I could control the volume on the soundbar because I could turn the volume up and down with it. But when I had it connected to optical cable, I had to use the soundbar remote to control the volume on the soundbar. So if I turned up the TV, then if I connected to the soundbar, then I had to turn off the TV volume because the remote would only control the TV volume, but the soundbar volume would still be on. So I would get a lot of echo and background noise or background sound or whatever. So that's about why I returned it. Yeah, I wanted to keep it. I really did. I tried it out, tried to make it work as much as I can, as best as I could. I do have a Samsung TV upstairs with a Samsung soundbar. Works great with that. I could use one remote control the volume and the TV turns the soundbar on and off. When I turn on the TV, soundbar turns on. Turn off the TV, soundbar turns off. That may be why, because I have both the Samsung TV and the Samsung soundbar. But the TV downstairs is a HiSense TV, so that could be why that it worked like the way it just works. You pair a Samsung soundbar with a Samsung TV, you don't have those remote control issues with you other brands and models. It may work with another TV brand, LG or Sony or whatever model of TV you might have, TCL or whatever. But it didn't pair really well with the HiSense TV. But it worked great with my Samsung TV that I have. So that's why I returned it, because I really didn't like the remote control issues, and I also didn't like how it sounded when I had it paired with Bluetooth. Sounds great with the optical cable if you don't mind using two remote controls, the TV remote and the soundbar remote. But the Bluetooth didn't really work out that well. And the whole point of it is I wanted everything to be wireless. So that's another reason why I returned it. I really want to use the optical cable. I want it to be wireless like my upstairs TV was. So that's why I returned it. But I do know a solution to that is if you have a soundbar with HDMI ARC, you can connect the soundbar to the TV with HDMI cable, and then you'll be able to control the remote and the soundbar. I mean the soundbar and the TV volume and the soundbar on and off with the TV remote control. But the T400 model did not have HDMI ARC, so either you had to pair it with Bluetooth or use the optical cable, but it did not have HDMI ARC. So I went ahead and returned it. I haven't got another one yet because another reason why I returned it. I also found the TV volume isn't that bad on the TV. I don't know, man. That TV has a great bass on it, great voice, great clarity. So I found that the TV sound actually sounded better than the soundbar with certain programs. Like if I watch regular TV, the sound isn't great. But if I'm watching Netflix or Hulu or something else, then the sound is a whole lot better. Maybe because Netflix uses a different codec, different sound volume or whatever. I don't really know. But the the over-the-air channels don't sound great. But when I have watching Netflix or Hulu or streaming service, and the volume is fine on the regular TV. So I may or may not get another soundbar for the TV because the volume on TV sounds pretty decent to me. So I just wanted to do this follow-up video to my Samsung soundbar review that I ended up returning it. I wanted to keep it. I may get one in the future. If I do get another soundbar in the future, I would definitely put a review up of that, how it works out for me, just to let you guys know how that goes. So I just want to do a quick follow-up video to my previous Samsung soundbar review video. So this is just a follow-up to that. So I want to thank you guys for stopping by, watching my YouTube channel. Really appreciate it. Like I said before, don't forget to hit the like button and the share button if you want to share this video out. And also the bell notification icon so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. So that's all I got for now. It's just a quick follow-up on my Samsung soundbar review. I'll also put the description to that video in the comments below, so make sure you want to check it out. So that's it. That's all I got for now. Thanks for stopping by. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.